Children, let's listen to the story. Kelly and Mike are visiting the farm. Kelly sees a little girl. The girl is wearing a goat costume. Kelly thinks the girl looks great. Mike is feeding some animals. He gives some grass to a goat. The goat eats the grass. Mike gives some grass to another goat. "Thank you," says the goat. Mike is surprised. Goats cannot talk. It is the little girl. G. 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 You are a lovely girl. Look at the word girl. Say girl. Girl. Children, let's say the letter G and the word girl. G. Girl. G. Girl. Children, let's learn one more word that begins with the letter G. Goat. Say goat. Goat.